What's up, guys? All right, so I made a previous video and there was zero sound on it. So this one's this one's gonna be a lot shorter. I'm not gonna do this all over again. So this one's gonna be a lot shorter, or it might be a little bit longer. Who knows? But really quick, this morning we were looking at DPW and KXIN. As you can see, let's move this. As you can see, go time is right there, and typically I'm jumping in for it to either break through goal time or right above goal time, and I'm taking that move and selling. I'm buying and selling very quick through goal time. Um, but basically, as you can see, this was a small pullback right there. First candle to make a new high. I'm jumping in. Popped over gold time. It actually went pretty high right there. I probably should have sold somewhere around here. But started coming down on me. I ended up selling right there. So, as you can see, jumped in at 310, jumped out 315. That was a 5 cent move. Wasn't too great. Um, but the real mover this morning was KXIN. But the reason I didn't go with it first is because DPW was closer to go time, so I felt like that one was the one that's going to explode. And look at this pre-market, this thing wasn't doing much, and then right out of the gate, this thing went up over $1. So by the time I was done trading DPW, as you can see over here in the uh, where is it here? As you can see right here in the chat room this morning, let's see. Sonic called out KXIN, and I saw go time at 950, so I decided let me look at DPW because KXIN is far away from the breaking point, right? So let's pull this back up. So it's just so far away, but we were watching the two of them, right? And because DPW was closer, I chose DPW, and this one is the one that made the super huge move. Now, I'm not gonna say that I should have been watching this because I would have never been watching it because it was so low from go time. I like stocks that are lingering right below go time, and as you can see, DPW was that one lingering right below go time, and I'm expecting to take that move. So once I took that DPW trade, got in at 310 and got out at 315. Then I switched over to KXIN. Um, I jumped in right above go time, and I took a nice 14 cent move, and that put me at 760. As you can see, it's under 2 minutes. Now I know I didn't hit my goal today, but I mean, just think about it. Like, there's many people out there who's going to work minimum wage, and 760 to them is like it's gonna take them 2 weeks to after taxes to just walk away with 760. So for me to be able to do that in less than 2 minutes, I can't complain, but we always want more, right? We always want more. I didn't hit my goal. You guys know my goal is a grand a day, and I try to do that, and sometimes I fail. So it is what it is. But 2 trades and 2 wins, can't complain about that. I wish DPW made this move. This move right here is what I was hoping DPW made because I mean it attempted the first time, it attempted the second time, the third time you would expect it to just break through and continue to fly high, but it broke through and for some reason it just failed after that. It is what it is. So later on during the day, it actually made the move, but I only trade the first hour of the day. And typically, within the first 15 minutes, I'm typically done. As you can see, a day like today, I jumped in at 9:30:19. I was done at 9:31:42. So less than 2 minutes, I was done, and that's just how it played out today. Um, don't forget, you guys, to like and subscribe and share the video. If you guys getting some value out of this one, the way you repay me is by sharing the video or liking the video. All right. So, yeah, I was just mentioning earlier that let's pull this back up. Look at this. So this post over here, I made not too long ago. Let me pull it up. So this post right here, just a stupid post, right? A stupid post that I just posted not too long ago. And check out how many shares this post got. Come on, Facebook. What's going on here? All right, look at the shares. 73K shares, 73,000 shares. But yet, you post educational stuff, and look, you get 13 likes, 0 shares. So it just seems to me like, people like stupid stuff. And when it comes to financial stuff, they just like, I don't know what's going on with humans. But you post stupid stuff, it goes viral. And then you post educational stuff that people actually need. Um, it just doesn't go viral. It's just, I don't know. It's just, for me, finance, is important. You guys know I trade for 1 hour per day, and then I do real estate deals. I'm always hunting for properties to buy after I'm done trading. But for some reason, people don't care about finance. They just care about stupid stuff. They'll watch stupid stuff all day, and I guess that's what's important to people. But if it's finance you're interested, show me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and who knows if I'm not getting enough. Maybe I should start doing stupid stuff and posting stupid stuff and go viral and monetize my channel. But I probably won't do that because I'm just a stock and real estate guy. So I probably won't be. I probably won't be posting up stupid stuff. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, my email is down below. Feel free to comment below as well. You can comment. You can email me if you guys have any questions. Also, Trade Ideas is having a special this week. If you guys sign up to Trade Ideas with my link below, I'll go ahead and help you set up your platform just like my platform. That way, you can have it set up just like mine, and then you can see exactly what's popping. Like right now, OLB was on the scanner; it was popping hardcore. So immediately, I would have popped it. I would have typed in OLB. Let's do this. As you can see, OLB is popping up. It's not making a big move. Obviously, it's in the afternoon. But it did just go from 428 to 477. So, I mean, this isn't something that I'd be really trading because the volume is so low. But at least we have an idea of, it tells you what's moving and what's making new highs right then and there in real time. You can see the scanner is not going crazy right now, so it is a little slow right now. But anything that's moving, anything that's making new highs, this thing picks it up. It's the best scanner in the world. It's the fastest scanner, real time. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link below for Trade Ideas. And once you sign up, if you hit me up through my email, I'll help you set up your platform just like mine. These are all the pre-market movers. This is basically how I found, DPW, KXIN. They were popping up here in the morning. As you can see, DPW is still right there for the morning. So this is how I'm finding my stocks to trade every morning, is right here. And then after the bell rings, whatever's making new highs is popping up right here in these two channels here. And then if anything gets halted, I'm seeing them right there. I love when stocks are getting halted. I just pull up, especially if it's the first or second time it halts. The first time is always good. Second time is always good. Third time I try to stay away from it because the longer the stock is in play, the more potential that it has to just drop on you and you lose money. So, first halt, I'm always happy to jump in. Second one, it's a little bit good, but the third ones I try to stay away from them. So these are my halt scanners. These are all low float stocks. These are all high of day. Anything hidden high of day. So is this stock. So is this channel too. I mean, it's just showing me basically what's making new highs, and that's how I'm finding them. Is through this scanner right here. Without this scanner, I'd probably be making a lot less. So it is what it is. But if you guys have any questions, again, comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. Chat with you guys another day.